In this video, I will show you how I make this custom keychain for my motorcycle using Gravity Sketch, VR and 3D printing. Let's go! So now I'm in Gravity Sketch and I want to import an image to trace. So I use my left controller and I go to Import, choose the image that I want. I can scale it up, something like that. And I just want to trace the outline. And what I'm going to do next is to push on this purple button and go to Custom Volume and use Planar. That gives me a plain surface to sketch on. So whatever I do here stays flat and plain. That's great for 3D printing. So now I'm just going to trace this. I can put this to the side, all right. Start tracing the lines. Go around it. Can do it pretty rough at the beginning like this, just to show you guys. Something like that, right? So now I have a flat surface and I can go into edit mode and I can move these lines. So I can even lower the opacity of this one. So you can see what I'm tracing. Go back into edit. And even if I try to move this in this direction, it stays flat on this axle. So just go and trace this. I can delete, I can add more points if I want to. So just keep working on the shape, something like that. I think that looks good. Even change the color, make it pop. Like this. All right. So now when I have the shape that I want, looks like my bike, right? Nice. So what you can do now, you can add text if you want. I have a ZX 6R. Right, so there we have it. We can go and change the font. Change the color. And then I can place this here if I would like to. Something like that. And there I have it. I have it on a flat surface. I can even go in and take the measure from this one. So from there, I want this as a keychain. So this size should be good. 41 millimeters, all right. Next step is to go to export. I want to send it off as an OBJ. I can change the name here. Let's call it ZX6R, right? And there I have the name, here I have the measurement. Now I can send it off as an OBJ file to my computer and then take it to the 3D printer. So let's try it out. I think I want to try one without the text. And here we have the 3D printed parts, one without the name and one with the name. I used a metallic PLA filament for this one. And this is my engraving tool. It's portable, battery driven, good for carving, etching, drilling, polishing, grinding, sanding and cutting. So I'm just gonna replace the etching tool that I got on for a small drill so we can put the keychain loop inside of it. I choose to take off the big ring so the motorcycle keychain would fit better with the keys. If you like this kind of video, like and share, and if you want to see me print something more, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.